Hello everyone, how to do it. So back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to unmute people on Cara application. So if you muted someone and if you want to unmute, you can go his or her account, or you can find them through this way. Like, you have to tap on the three line top right corner on your screen and then click on your view profile. So it's your profile page. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to tap on the edit profile. So scroll down, then here you'll see the option muted user. Simply tap on the view list. So I just muted someone, so I want to unmute this user. So simply tap on the unmute option and tap on the confirm. So that's it. So this way you can unmute friend on Cara app. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.